Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to open system settings or preferences pane of your macOS using Flutter macOS. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll show you the output. I have this Flutter macOS app open, and if I click on open system settings, so this is one button. So if I click on it, here you can see it is opening privacy and security. It is opening calendars from privacy and security. I will show you how you can open each of this option, like any of this option from system settings, whatever you want. So first of all, I will show you the code, and later on I will show you how to open each and every thing. Like if you want to open notification, you can do that as well. So first I have created a Flutter macOS application, like a Flutter application, sorry, and here I have just refactored my homepage widget. So if you see my homepage widget, I have created one method channel called system settings. Now same with name, we will have to use it on native macOS side as well. And I have created one method called open system setting preference pane, and it calls an open method. Now this open method have to be used it on same native macOS side as well. So this method gets called on this particular button click. Okay, so this is extremely simple on the Dart side or Flutter side. Next, you will have to open the XE workspace of your macOS folder inside Xcode. I have already opened it, and firstly what I have done is that I have created our method channel, so I am using the same name. Then here inside switch, we are listening for this open method whenever it gets called on the button click. Now there are various ways of opening system preferences. If you see this particular code, this will only open the system preferences, but here as you can see in the output, I have opened the privacy and security of calendars inside system preferences. So I think these two ways, I'm not sure, but sometimes like from what I have read is on older macOS version they might fail. I'm not really sure because I don't have an old macOS version. I am testing it on Sonoma and it works fine for me, like both of this. So this way it just opens the system preferences panel or the app, and this is the other way to open it. But here I want to show you this way. So here you can see you just have to use ns workspace .chat.open, pass your URL which is in form of string. Now this is an extremely long string, so here you can see it is opening the system preferences privacy calendars. Now how to remember it, or from where do I get this? So to get this, you can go to this particular URL, and from now over here you can open whatever you feel like. So here they have given each and everything. Okay, so suppose I want to open okay, not serious, but maybe I should open something like photos, not photos, but let's see, I'm just checking what should I open. Okay, let's just open photos. Okay, so I'll just copy this. Okay, whatever you want you can just get it from this, and here I can just paste it over here. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, let me see. I think I copied the open part as well. We don't require the open part, so I'll just remove that open part, and I'll remove an extra bit of quote which I have added at the end, and hopefully it should open the privacy photos from our system settings. I'll have to do a complete rerun because I have changed native code. I can't use hot restart and hot reload. Also, hot restart and hot reload for desktop applications in Flutter is not very reliable. So every time, even though I'm changing some Dart code as well, I have to do a complete restart of my app. They work pretty good in for mobile. I'm not sure about web, but for so I will also quit my system settings app. I'll open my Flutter app. I'll click on open system settings preferences pane, and here you can see it has opened. So I'll just show over, it has opened the photos from privacy and security. So that's how you can open anything, whatever you feel like. Thank you for watching. Bye.